Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are here with another exciting vlog, and in this vlog, guess where we are going? It is Kankavli. I'll give you a gist about this. So we have reached Kankavli, me and my sister, and we are going to board a rickshaw to get to the bus station, and उसके बाद फिर हम हमारे गांव चले जाएंगे. Let's see how it goes. We are in a rickshaw. They made the bus stand really fancy. What we are going to travel in. We are traveling in this car today. हम गए थे बस स्टैंड पर. बस स्टैंड पे क्या हुआ, बस मिला नहीं. The bus was at 10 o'clock and it's 10:15. But we didn't get that bus. We were late. And the next bus that was going to our village was at 12. So we couldn't wait that long. So we opted for this option. This is how it looks. And let's wait and go.
चला आता गरम झाला आमका होय हो का घराकडे एसी जात काय होय एसी तर जात आधी तो व्यापार करतात ना बांबूचा
चले एक काम कर 200 रुपए दे और 50 रुपए काट ओवर एक्टिंग की वजह से.
And we have reached, going towards the house.
इकडे आणि ही काढ
This is my auntie who's going to cook crabs. These are the crabs that she's bought. These are not from the sea. Let's check out some rain farming. Can you see this? It is a kakdi. There is one more. वो काकड़ी जो हमने निकाल के लाई है, अभी उसको काटेंगे,
नमक लगाएंगे,
खाएंगे.
ये लग रहा है काढून
And she's the cook.
मध्ये त्याच म्हणता मध्ये
इस तरफ फिश करी का मिक्सी लगाया जा रहा है.
कढी पोहे कशी काढतात ही जाड कढी ही खेकडा
फूल येत आहे ना
खेकडा
खेकडा.
हां खेकडा कढी तयार चला
हा किती
खेकडा कढी तयार लबन
ये हम रस्सा निकाल रहे हैं पीने के लिए. और एक टिप, हमने नमक सबसे पहले ही नहीं डाला था, बाद में नमक डाला. जब पूरा बॉईल आ जाए तब नमक डालने का.
उतरते त्यामध्ये
Some nice rasa and the view, if you see, wow. Let's taste. This is crab soup, as my auntie said just now. It's crab soup that we're gonna have now. Let's taste it. It's really yum. Nice and spicy with a lot of crab flavor and the masala, Malwani masala.